Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Spotify premium in under a minute. Go to spotify.com and log into your account. From a browser, this won't work in the mobile app. Click your profile icon from the upper right corner, then click Accounts tab. Scroll down to your plan section, or click manage your subscription. Scroll to bottom, find the Spotify free option, click cancel premium, follow the steps to confirm, and that's it. You will keep premium until your next billing date. Like and follow for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.